Hey everybody, today we'll be doing the Powermac G5 build. I'll be breaking it down, painting it, and putting it back together. I won't be building anything in it. No PC parts going in yet. I did have plans for that. I went a different route for this PC build that is coming up. That'll be the next video, by the way, if you want to see an awesome budget build. But for this video, we're just doing the Powermac G5 case build, all the way up to paint. We did have a few hiccups along the way. Everything got fixed, fortunately. I'll go over that after you watch the video, just so you're familiar with what happened. It was a fun build, very time-consuming build. I used regular tools. One thing I did not record was the sanding portion, and that's just because the sanding room I did use had terrible lighting. Another thing I want to say is some of the smaller parts I didn't really get on camera painting them. I only had so big of a shot that I could record, so I got the most important parts. So here is the Powermac G5 build. Enjoy it. some things you might have noticed in the videos. I had to go run and grab a towel. I don't know if you noticed. I started the breakdown without a towel, but whenever I realized it was going to start leaking, I went and grabbed a towel and just put it on the computer. Secondly, yeah, I dropped the most visible piece of the case in the middle of painting the first top coat, which really sucked. That was the worst part about this. But luckily, I got all of the wet paint that was on there. Paint job came out great. After everything dried, I did have to go back and sand a couple pieces and repaint it. Nothing crazy though. It was just touch-up work, but it looks great now, and I'm happy with it. If you're wondering why I didn't do all the customization to the case before I painted it, it was because I only had access to the paint booth for that day. I wanted to get all of it painted the best I could. If I had the option, I would have cut all the spots for the motherboard, all of the mounting points, everything, had it all ready to go and then painted it, but I didn't have that option. I only had access to the booth for the day. So if you're wondering why I didn't cut everything and set everything up before painting it, that's why. This build was definitely a lot of fun, a lot of work, a little bit stressful sometimes, but not too hard. Anybody can do this with enough motivation and hard work. It's a great looking case, and I would love to see any builds that y'all have. Just throw them in the comments below, any pictures you have. What do I plan to do with the case now? I was planning on building my PC in it, but I already have all the parts for that. The case still needs a little bit of work. So basically, this case is getting put to the side for now. I'm hoping to use it in a future project for sure. It's a great case, and I'd like to use it on something that wasn't on a time crunch. I'm still thinking about cutting a window into the side of it. I'm not sure about that yet. I may just want like the nice clean look. Just stay tuned to see what happens with that. The next video I do will be my PC build. I've got all the parts in. I'll have to see what I paid for everything. Make sure you watch that to see that budget build. It's going to turn out great. It's going to look great, trust me, and you won't want to miss that. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about anything I did, or if you need any help with a Powermac G5 build, or any build that you're doing similar things with, painting, anything like that, just let me know in the comments below. And of course, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more from Broken Butter, subscribe. That's the best way. This is Han Swallow from Broken Butter. Thanks for watching.